Okay, question 9. Question 9 says this is your curve and this is the region bounded by this curve. So what are they asking for? They have given you the equation of the curve. Okay, it has a turning point M, as we can also see. We need to find the coordinates of M. So we know whenever we need to find the coordinates of M, that is the coordinates of the stationary point, we always do dy by dx equals to 0. Okay, so do that. Let's first write down the y, 9x square, 5 minus root x over 5. So let's first try and simplify it a bit so we would be able to differentiate it. So 9x square times 5 over 5 will be cancelled, minus 9 over 5 x square plus 1 over 2, because square and this square root is 1 over 2. Okay, so it will give you 9x square minus 9 over 5 x to the power 5 over 2. Now we would be able to differentiate it easily. Dy by dx would be dy by the derivative of 9x square would be, x square is going to be 2x, so 2x times 9 would be 18x, minus 9 over 5. What is the derivative of x to the power 5 over 2? It's like derivative of x to the power n is nx n minus 1. So n is 5 over 2, x times 5 over 2 minus 1. This is going to give you 18x minus, when you simplify 5 and 5 will be cancelled, 9 over 2 times x to the power 3 over 2. So putting this dy by dx equals to 0 to find the stationary point. So we will be getting it. How do we do it? You can equate this like 18x. We'll shift it to the other side, 9 over 2x to the power 3 over 2. So you get x to be 3 over 2 minus 1 is going to be 1 over 2. So 18 times 2 over 9 is equals to x to the power 1 over 2. So this is giving you x to the power 1 over 2 equals to 4. So taking square on both sides, it's give you x equals to 16. Now we need to find the y as well, the y coordinates. So we can plug in this value in this original equation or the version we simplified. So I'm just putting in here this value, 9 times 16 square times 5 minus square root of 16 over 5. So it will give you 9 times 16 square over 5. 5 minus root of 16 would be 4, so 5 minus 4 is 1, so this whole becomes 1. So 9 times 16 square over 5 is 460.8. so your coordinates of stationary point or M point is 16 comma 460.8. Okay, this is it. Now the curve crosses the x-axis at point P here. Okay, then use algebra to find x coordinate. Okay, so when the curve passes through the x-axis where y is 0, so let's put y equals to 0 in the equation so as to get your x coordinate. Okay, so putting y equals to 0, part B says find the x coordinate of point P. Okay, so this one. So let's find, putting y equals to 0 on x-axis, y is equals to 0, so here also we need to find x when y is 0. So we'll be putting y0 equals to 9x square over 5 minus root of x. So when we shift everything on the other side, we will be left behind with 5 minus this 5 will go on the other side, become 0, and 9x square also. So we are left with 5 minus root x equals 0. So root x equals 5 and 5x equals 25. Okay, so your point P coordinates are 25, 0. Now we have the finite region R shown in the figure is bounded by the curve. This is an interesting thing. The region thing is bounded by the curve. This region is bounded by this curve, this line, and this line. Okay, so what we will be doing, actually we are not going to take all of these three lines. Instead, let's take this line and this line. I'm taking this line to be as like the boundary of like the upper limit for x. Okay, so let's consider it to be bounded by two curves. Okay, and to find the region area of the region R, what do? We integrate the curves. Okay, so how do we integrate from A to B? Area of upper curve or area of origin, upper curve minus lower, or we just write it to be, obviously we are taking integration, so we are talking about area, so just upper curve minus lower curve dx. Okay, like this, or integral of far minus near. This is also a way to solve it, like the far curve or the line or the curve or the graph subtracted yeah, minus the near one. Okay, and a to b means the x coordinate from where it is starting to the b to the second x coordinate where it is ending. Okay, so this is it. This is the explanation of how do we do it. So your upper curve is this line, and what is the equation of this line? What were the coordinates of point M? We had 16 comma 460.8. So this is the line of y equals to 460.8 because it is passing through it. 16 comma 460.8 was the, okay, so this is the equation of this line. Now writing this all in a proper way for part C. So your area of the region would be integral a to b upper curve minus lower curve dx. Okay, so let's substitute the values from, we get the curve, like we get limits a to b from 16 to 25. What is the equation of the upper curve? 460.8. This is your upper curve, the line. So the y is equals to 460.8. So we have this as the equation of the curve minus the lower curve. What's the lower curve? Our lower curve is the equation curve. So we can write this equation or the simplified version of it. Where was the simplified version? Yeah, this one. This is y and this is dy over dx. So we should be mentioning here. Okay, so this is your equation, the simplified version. So let's take this because we cannot integrate or differentiate the complicated version where there are like the product of x terms together, or yeah. Okay, so this is dx. Now let's integrate this. The integral of any constant number is the constant times x. So we have, as the integral of 1 is x, so we have 460.8 x, okay, minus, what is the integral of x squared? X squared integral is x cube over 3, as we have x n plus 1 over n plus 1, so 9 x cube over 3 minus 9 over 5 as it is, x to the power 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1 between the limits 16 to 25. Okay, so now simplifying it further and then putting the limits, 460.8 times x minus 3 times 9, so 3x cube, minus, what is 5 over 2 plus 1? It's 7 over 2, so 9 over 5 x 7 over 2 over 7 over 2. Okay, and one last step to solve this 7 over 2. This 7 over 2 in the denominator will be flipped and multiplied, so it will become 2 over 7. So 9 2 times is 18 over 35. So when simplified, it will be 18 over 35. Okay, then we will be doing equals, putting in the values, minus 3 times 25 cube minus 18 over 35, 25 power 7 over 2. This is applying the upper limit, minus the same with the lower limit, applying, putting in 16, minus okay, so when we will be solving it, we will be getting solving this first one will give you 4823.5714. Solving this, the second would give you 3510.8571. Subtracting them will give you 1312.7143. Okay, and do we have any reservation, like we need to give our answer up to one decimal place? Yeah, so we need to give it up to one decimal place, just 1312.7. okay, that's all of your working for this area of the region R and previous parts also. This is your question number 9.